when it come on to elderly people, some people don't think that elderly people can't dance. Well, but elderly people were young ones, you know. That means that the same thing you know, them know too. Look at this. Somebody need to come and get their grandfather. Like, no. Seriously, you need to come and get your grandfather. What grandfather going with? Eh? Why is he going on like that? A long time grandfather not get a dance? No, man. Grandfather, calm down, man. You're going too bad. You're going too wicked. No, sir. Grandfather put on a piece of wine there. Poor granny have to hold on and ask somebody to take her drink, you know, because if she not careful, grandfather gonna make the drink drop her ground. Grandfather gonna make the drink dash way, you know. The way the man a hold the woman and go on. No, I'm not supposed to be laughing. No. This one's sweet.